All right, so here we have your torsion machine, okay? So your torso rotation machine is intended for your obliques, okay? We got the first handle is on your seat. The knob is right behind the seat. You can move it up or you can move it down. Right now I'm gonna put it at mid-range for my height. That's all gonna depend as well on your chest on these pads. The second adjustment, it moves the seat left to center, center to right, or opposite ways. From here, I want to sit down facing inward the machine. Notice I have my chest in a good height to the chest pad. I'm going to push the button down and set it on the right side. It clicked, so tension's on. Keeping myself pulled in tight, I'm gonna pull towards the mid and let it go, control towards the right. Working my left oblique. Breathe in, exhale, nice and control. There's no banging, there's no letting go of the machine. That is incorrect. Correct movement, controlled, on both eccentric and concentric. Once I'm done with this side, push down the handle, come back to the middle, all the way to the left, so that I can perform my opposite side. A good way for you to know you're doing the movement properly, there's no sounds, no banging, no clicking. There's your torsion control.